Imagine walking into a space that instantly feels warm, inviting, and connected to nature. One simple way to transform any room is by incorporating wood elements. From sleek wooden furniture to rustic accents, wood brings texture, warmth, and timeless beauty to your home. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add wood into your home design in ways that not only enhance the aesthetic, but also make your space feel cozy and natural. Stick around to discover the best wood elements to bring warmth and style to every room. Hi, and welcome to the Design Lounge. If you love creating cozy, stylish spaces, then this video is for you. Wood is one of the most versatile materials you can use to elevate your home's design. It's timeless, durable, and adds a natural touch that's hard to beat. Whether you're looking to warm up your living room, add some rustic charm to your kitchen, or create a serene, natural bedroom, wood elements are a perfect choice. Today, I'll walk you through simple yet effective ways to incorporate wood into your home, transforming any space into a warm, inviting haven. Let's dive right in. Wood has always been a symbol of nature, warmth, and craftsmanship. Whether it's in the form of sleek furniture or rustic decor, wood elements can completely transform a space, giving it a welcoming, organic vibe. Adding wood to your home not only creates a cozy atmosphere, but also brings a sense of timelessness and comfort. Let's explore different ways you can seamlessly incorporate wood into your home's design. In today's world of synthetic materials and fast-paced trends, natural elements like wood provide a sense of grounded stability. Wood creates a connection to nature, promoting a calming and inviting environment. It's the perfect material for those looking to add texture, depth, and warmth to their interiors. Whether used in small accents or as the main material in furniture, wood instantly elevates the aesthetic of any room. Natural wood also has the ability to complement a wide range of design styles. From modern to rustic, Scandinavian to industrial, wood can be adapted to fit any vision. It brings a richness to the space that plastic or metal simply cannot replicate, providing an organic charm that resonates with people on a deeper emotional level. Furniture is often the focal point of any room, and wood provides a versatile foundation for creating statement pieces. Wooden tables, chairs, bookshelves, and cabinets come in various styles, from modern minimalist to traditional farmhouse designs. A solid oak dining table, for example, can be the centerpiece of your dining room, creating an inviting space for meals and conversations. You can also use smaller wooden furniture items like stools, side tables, or benches to add warmth without overwhelming the space. For a more modern feel, choose furniture with clean lines and light wood finishes like maple or birch. For a cozier, rustic touch, opt for reclaimed wood pieces with a more textured finish. Hardwood floors are one of the most impactful ways to incorporate wood into your home. The natural grain patterns and rich hues of wood floors create an elegant yet warm foundation for any room. If you want to add a rustic touch, consider using reclaimed wood or distressed wood flooring. For a more modern, polished look, hardwood floors in lighter shades like ash or oak can brighten up the space and make it feel airy. For those who prefer more eco-friendly options, bamboo or cork flooring are excellent alternatives that bring natural textures and sustainable materials into your home design. Wood flooring also has a timeless appeal, never going out of style and adding value to your home. Wood can be a stunning element on your walls as well, whether you opt for wood paneling, wooden accent walls, or exposed beams. Wood adds visual interest and texture to your interiors. A wood feature wall in the living room can create a focal point and set the tone for the entire space. Wooden accent walls work especially well in bedrooms or home offices, where a more tranquil, warm atmosphere is desired. For a more contemporary look, consider shiplap or vertical planks in lighter finishes. Alternatively, for a more traditional or rustic design, go for darker, richly textured wood panels. Exposed beams in the ceiling can also add architectural interest, enhancing the cozy and organic feel of the room. If you're not ready to fully commit to large pieces of wood, accessories are a great place to start. Wooden frames, trays, sculptures, and bowls can subtly bring warmth to any room. Wood's versatility shines through in smaller items like lamps, mirrors, and decorative accents. For example, a wooden tray on a coffee table or a set of wooden bowls in the kitchen can serve as a simple yet effective way to introduce the material. Adding wooden decor pieces in various textures and finishes can create visual depth, especially when paired with natural fabrics like linen or cotton. You can mix and match different types of wood, light, medium, or dark finishes, to create contrast and interest. When styling with wood elements, it's important to maintain balance and cohesion throughout the space. Here are some tips to ensure your wood elements complement your overall design. Don't be afraid to mix different types of wood in your space. Pair light and dark wood to create contrast, but be mindful of the tones. Light woods like ash or maple pair well with darker woods like walnut or mahogany. This mix can add depth and visual intrigue without overwhelming the space. Wood works beautifully when paired with other natural materials like stone, leather, or plants. A wooden dining table can be complemented with a stone or marble vase, or wooden shelves can be styled with potted plants. These combinations create a grounded, organic feel that enhances the warmth of the wood. A key to making wood elements work in a modern space is ensuring a balance between rustic charm and contemporary design. Wooden accents, like a reclaimed wood coffee table or a wooden floor, can be balanced with modern furniture pieces or minimalist decor. The key is to blend materials in a way that feels effortless, giving your space a timeless quality. Best wood choices for different rooms. For the living room, wooden furniture and flooring create a warm and inviting space. Choose a rich wood for your coffee table or entertainment unit, and add wooden shelves or a wooden framed mirror to complement the space. The warm tones of wood make the living room a perfect place to relax, entertain, and unwind. In the kitchen, wood can be used in cabinetry, countertops, and small accents. A wooden kitchen island or butcher block countertops add a rustic touch, while wooden shelves provide a practical and stylish storage solution. You can also use wooden accessories like cutting boards, bowls, or utensil holders to introduce the material in smaller doses. Wooden furniture in the bedroom, such as a wooden headboard, nightstands, or a wooden dresser, brings a sense of warmth and tranquility. A wooden bed frame, especially one with intricate details or a weathered finish, can make the room feel more inviting. Adding a few wooden accessories like a table lamp or wooden art pieces can further enhance the natural ambiance. Maintaining wood elements is essential to keeping them looking beautiful for years. Regular cleaning with a soft cloth will prevent dust from accumulating. For hardwood floors, consider using a specific wood cleaner to keep them looking polished. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the finish. Additionally, it's important to protect your wood surfaces from direct sunlight and moisture, as these can cause fading or warping. So, there you have it. Simple, effective ways to incorporate wood elements into your home for a warm, natural aesthetic. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you use wood in your home design? Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite wood element If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more interior design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.